Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine making $5,000 a month. This journey isn't as hard as you think. Let me show you how to build a lucrative career as a developer from scratch. First, let's understand the growing demand for developers. Businesses need digital solutions now more than ever. Developers solve real-world problems with technology. This trend will only continue in 2025. So, how do you start? You'll need to follow a clear step-by-step plan. Begin by choosing a programming language. Languages like Python, JavaScript, or Ruby are great choices. These languages are versatile and widely used. Next, invest time in learning. Utilize free resources online. Websites like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp offer excellent courses. Aim to complete small projects as you learn. This will build your confidence and skills. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to create a portfolio. Your portfolio should showcase your best projects. Include code samples and a brief description of each project. A strong portfolio attracts potential clients. Marketing yourself is vital. Use platforms like GitHub and LinkedIn. Share your projects and connect with other developers. Join online forums to network and seek advice. Networking opens doors to new opportunities. After building your brand, consider freelance work. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr are great for beginners. Start with small projects to develop credibility. As you gain experience, increase your rates. Don't forget to enhance your skill set. Stay updated with industry trends. Learn new technologies and frameworks. Continuous learning would keep you competitive in the job market. As you progress, look for higher paying opportunities. Many companies offer remote work options. Apply to positions that fit your skills and pay well. Negotiate your salary based on your growing experience. Now, let's visualize a scenario. You start working on freelance projects. Initially, you earn around $1,000 a month. You continue to learn and expand your portfolio. By the end of the year, you could easily reach $5,000. In summary, anyone can start from $0 and earn $5,000 a month. Follow these steps. Choose a language, learn, build a portfolio, market yourself, freelance, and continually improve. Consistency is key. Are you ready to take the first step? Start your learning journey today. Your future as a successful developer awaits. Are you excited to embark on this incredible journey towards becoming a successful developer? Picture yourself fully immersed in coding and solving problems. Each project will enhance your skills and boost your confidence as you gradually cultivate a robust professional identity. Your determination and efforts will empower you to embrace challenges, unlocking countless opportunities in the ever-evolving tech industry. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your dedication will be the driving force to shape your future. In this journey, the importance of perseverance cannot be overstated. There will be days filled with frustration and moments of self-doubt, but pushing through these obstacles will lead to significant breakthroughs. Celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's resolving a particularly challenging bug or hitting a new milestone in your learning. Each accomplishment, no matter how minor it may seem, builds momentum and fosters continuous growth in your developer career. Embrace the learning process with an open mind, as it will pave the way to greater success. As you step into the world of development, remember that collaboration is just as important as individual work. Find a mentor or a peer group to exchange ideas and feedback with. Engaging with others will not only inspire you but can lead to innovative solutions. The learning curve may be steep, but with the right support system, you will find that growth becomes more manageable. Surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded individuals can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Whether it's through online forums or local meetups, cultivating relationships will enrich your journey significantly. As you venture forward, don't shy away from sharing your journey. Documenting your experiences can be incredibly rewarding. Consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel to discuss your learning process, challenges, and successes. This not only helps reinforce your own understanding but also inspires others who may be starting their journeys. Engaging with an audience opens opportunities for collaboration, and even potential job offers, as you establish your presence within the developer community. As you cultivate your online persona, remember to be authentic and share both your triumphs and setbacks. Building trust and relatability will resonate with those who seek guidance from someone who has walked a similar path. Your story might be the catalyst someone else needs to begin their journey in tech. Now that you have a solid foundation, it's essential to set realistic, achievable goals for yourself. Break down your ambitions into manageable tasks, whether it's mastering a new language or completing a specific project. This process not only makes your journey less overwhelming but also allows you to celebrate each victory along the way. Focus on progress, not perfection, and remember that even the most accomplished developers were once learners like you. Each small step will bring you closer to your $5,000 a month goal, so embrace the journey wholeheartedly. As you embark on this path, always keep your end goals in mind. Remind yourself daily of the freedom and success that awaits when you reach that $5,000 monthly income. Your commitment to this journey is truly inspiring, and as you persist, remember that every line of code you write is building not only your skills but also your future. With each project completed, you'll gain confidence, clarity, and the satisfaction of overcoming challenges that once seemed daunting. Keep forging ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe.